Hello everyone! Today we have something truly cutting edge to unbox, the Netgear RAXE500 Nighthawk. This router is designed to revolutionize your home network, with blazing fast speeds and unparalleled reliability. One of its standout features is its utilization of the 6 GHz Wi-Fi band, providing high-speed wireless access to a multitude of devices with minimal congestion. You can expect top-notch performance even with multiple devices connected simultaneously. Check out these foldable wing-shaped antennas. They're not just for show, with 8 powerful internal antennas. This router delivers lightning-fast speeds. And let's not forget about the added convenience of features, like VPN support, allowing you to securely access your home network from anywhere in the world, and voice assistant compatibility. The Netgear RAXE500 Nighthawk router truly raises the bar for home networking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or a tech-savvy household, this router has got you covered.